In my previous videos, I have talked about benefits of ZZ plant, but in this video, we'll talk about how to care ZZ plant. So let's get started. ZZ plant is one of the easiest plant to take care of as it can tolerate extreme low light conditions, can also purify indoor air, and it even looks good. ZZ plant gets its name from its botanical name Zamioculcas zamiifolia. ZZ plant stems grow in a wand-like shape that starts thick and bulbous at the base and then tapers to a point. In a NASA study, it was found that ZZ plant is one of the most excellent air purifying indoor plant. It is also known for its dark glossy leaves. It can remove chemicals from the air like xylene, toluene, benzene, formaldehyde and many more. It is one of the most sturdiest plant. ZZ plant does not require too much sunlight. It can grow in partial shade and can also tolerate extreme low light conditions. You can keep your ZZ plant in a dark corner, but remember to shift the plant to a bright spot every week for few hours. Your ZZ plant prefers medium to bright indirect light, but it is extremely adaptable. It will tolerate low light and fluorescent lighting in a windowless space. Do not keep the plant in direct sunlight. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves of the plant. It will grow best in a filtered light. ZZ plant is a very slow growing plant. If you are not able to see any new growth in your ZZ plant, trim the plant by cutting few stems, and after few days you will see new growth in your plant. ZZ plant loves to be in cooler temperatures. Water your ZZ plant every 2 to 3 weeks, allowing soil to dry out between waterings. Expect to water more often in brighter light and less often in lower light. ZZ plant can survive dry soil but cannot survive overwatering. Overwatering can surely kill the plant. Check the soil before watering. The soil should be dry throughout the pot. ZZ plant retains a lot of water in its rhizomes and fleshy roots. Overwater can make the leaves yellow and your plant can even start drooping. During winters, water the plant once a month, and during summers, water the plant twice a month. If the air is dry around your plant, mist the plant frequently. This will wash the leaves and the leaves will look more shiny and glossy. Or you can even wipe the leaves of the plant with a damp cloth to remove dust from its leaves. If you are still watching this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell for our latest videos. ZZ plant needs a very well drained soil. This soil should not hold water for a very long time. You can use succulent soil as well for your ZZ plant. Or you can even make your own soil by mixing garden soil, perlite, river sand and compost. Whenever you water the plant, the water should seep out from the drainage holes of the pot. Do not repot your ZZ plant frequently till the plant is completely root bound. ZZ plant should be fertilized once a month during the growing season. You can use any type of fertilizer for your ZZ plant, but water soluble fertilizer would be easier to absorb. Too much fertilizer can harm the roots of the plant, so make sure you perfectly dilute the fertilizer in water. ZZ plant can be propagated in many ways, but the most successful way to propagate your ZZ plant is by root division. Uproot the plant and then separate the bulbs. Then again repot the separated plant in a new pot. You can also propagate your ZZ plant in water by leaf cutting or stem cutting, but the chances are very minimal in water propagation by cutting. There are mainly two varieties of ZZ plant, green and black. If you are watching this video till now, here is a bonus tip for you. In case you want your ZZ plant to grow thick, long and tall, all you need to do is to cut the stems which are thin. You should only allow the thick stem to grow. Reason being, the plant fertilizer added will only be consumed by thick stem and that will help it to grow thick, tall and long. unlike too many thin stems in the same pot. That's all for this video. Till then, click on this video and I will see you very soon in the next video.